Dear student, today we are learning about the modes of heat transfer. There are three types. First one is conduction, second one is convection, and third one is radiation. In previous lectures, we already completed what is meant by conduction and convection. In this lecture, we have to study about the radiation. Very simple terms to understood. So let's we start. So for radiation, the medium is not required to transfer the heat. Second one, it is the fast mode of heat transfer as compared to the conduction and convection. And last one, heat transfer from one place to another place in the form of electromagnetic radiation. What is meant by electromagnetic radiation? So now the electromagnetic radiation, the having nature is transverse in nature. There is alternate formation of crest and trough. The best example is light. So Earth receives the light in the form of electromagnetic waves, and we know that the light is traveling from far much distance. It approaches to the Earth in the form of electromagnetic waves, and we know that there is a free space. So we can conclude that so the medium is not necessary for the transfer of heat by means of radiation from one point to another point. Let's we take one more example, that is bonfire. So now this is the object receive the heat from the bonfire in the form of electromagnetic waves. So what is the law? So law is very simple. The amount of radiant energy emitted per second per unit area of the surface is directly proportional to the fourth power of its absolute temperature. That law it is called Stephen's law. So that is Q by T into A is directly proportional to the fourth power of its absolute temperature. Then Q divided by T into A is equal to sigma into T raised to 4. So therefore Q by T is equal to sigma A into T raised to 4. So where T is the absolute temperature in Kelvin, and then area is the surface area, in meter square. Sigma is the Stephen's Boltzmann constant. Remember the value of Stephen Boltzmann constant, that is 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8 watts per meter square Kelvin raised to 4. And last Q by T means the amount of radiant energy emitted per second.